Ever found yourself staring at a sprawling spreadsheet, a sea of numbers and formulas, and wondered, isn't there a better way? Isn't there a system that can just handle this? You're not alone. We've all been there. And if you're running a business, those spreadsheet headaches can quickly turn into full-blown migraines. Now, let's be real. Excel. It's the OG of data management. It's been around forever, and for good reason. It's powerful, it's flexible, and it's familiar. But here's the thing. As your business grows, as your data becomes more complex, Excel starts to show its cracks. Those cracks of version control chaos, those cracks of manual data entry errors, those cracks of trying to piece together a holistic view of your business when your data is scattered across countless spreadsheets. So you start looking for solutions. You hear about ERP systems, you hear about NetSuite. And then the question pops into your head, the question we're tackling today. Does NetSuite use Excel? Is it a replacement, an enhancement, or something else entirely? Before we dive into that, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're running a mid-sized e-commerce business. You've got sales data, inventory data, customer data, financial data, all living in separate Excel files. You need to generate a sales report for the month. You're spending hours manually pulling data from different sheets, cross-referencing, and praying you don't make a mistake. Then, your CFO asks for a real-time inventory report to assess stock levels. More manual data manipulation. And just as you're about to finish, a customer calls with a query about their order history. Guess what? More spreadsheet searching. This is the reality for many businesses. It's time-consuming, it's error-prone, and it's frankly inefficient. And this is precisely where systems like NetSuite come into play. NetSuite is a cloud-based ERP, or enterprise resource planning system. It's designed to manage all your core business processes in one integrated platform. Think of it as a central hub for all your data, from financials and inventory to CRM and e-commerce. So, back to our original question. Does NetSuite use Excel? The short answer is, it's complicated. It's not a simple yes or no. NetSuite doesn't use Excel in the sense that it's embedded within the system, or that you directly manipulate Excel files within the main NetSuite interface. However, NetSuite and Excel are definitely compatible, and they work together in a few key ways. First, NetSuite allows you to export data to Excel. This is a crucial function for many users. You might need to export financial reports, customer lists, or inventory data for further analysis, reporting, or sharing with external parties. NetSuite provides various export options, allowing you to choose the data fields and formats you need. This gives you the flexibility to leverage Excel's powerful analysis and visualization capabilities. Second, NetSuite offers Suite Analytics Connect, which allows you to directly connect to your NetSuite data from Excel using ODBC drivers. This means you can create live, dynamic reports in Excel that are automatically updated with the latest NetSuite data. No more manual exports and imports. This is a game changer for users who need real-time insights and want to leverage Excel's familiar interface. Third, NetSuite offers CSV imports. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a file format that can be easily opened in Excel. This allows you to import data from Excel into NetSuite, such as customer lists, product catalogs, or price updates. While not directly Excel, it's a pathway for Excel-created data to be ingested into NetSuite. Fourth, NetSuite has its own built-in reporting and analytics tools. NetSuite offers a wide range of pre-built reports and dashboards, as well as the ability to create custom reports and saved searches. These tools often eliminate the need to export data to Excel in the first place. You can create detailed financial reports, sales analyses, and inventory forecasts directly within NetSuite. So, if NetSuite has all these reporting tools, why would anyone still want to use Excel? Well, there are a few reasons. First, familiarity. Excel is a tool that many people are comfortable with. It's a familiar interface, and many users have years of experience using it. It's hard to break those habits and instantly move every single workflow into a new system. Second, flexibility. Excel offers a level of flexibility that even the most powerful ERP systems can't match. You can create custom formulas, macros, and visualizations that are tailored to your specific needs. This level of customization can be invaluable for ad hoc analysis and specific reporting requirements. Third, sharing and collaboration. Excel files can be easily shared and collaborated on with external parties who may not have access to NetSuite. This makes it a useful tool for sharing data with auditors, investors, or other stakeholders. Fourth, offline access. While NetSuite is a cloud-based system, Excel can be used offline. This can be useful for users who need to access and analyze data when they don't have an internet connection. So what's the takeaway here? NetSuite doesn't replace Excel, but it complements it. It provides a centralized, integrated platform for managing your core business processes, while still allowing you to leverage the power and flexibility of Excel for specific tasks. Think of it this way. NetSuite is your central database, your single source of truth. It's where all your critical business data lives. Excel is your analysis and reporting tool. It's where you can dig deeper into your data, create custom reports, and share your findings with others. And as businesses grow, the emphasis shifts more and more towards NetSuite's native functionality. The need for constant Excel manipulation is reduced because the system itself is designed to provide the insights and reports needed. The integration points allow for exporting when needed, but the goal is to leverage the ERP as the primary tool. The ideal scenario is a hybrid approach. Use NetSuite for your core business processes, and use Excel for ad hoc analysis, custom reporting, and sharing data with external parties. This allows you to leverage the strengths of both tools and create a more efficient and effective workflow. Ultimately, the best way to determine how NetSuite and Excel can work together for your business is to explore the specific features and functionalities of both tools. Consider your specific needs and workflows, and experiment with different approaches. Don't be afraid to embrace the integration options. Learn how to leverage Suite Analytics Connect, explore the export options, and become familiar with NetSuite's built-in reporting tools. And don't be afraid to continue using Excel for those tasks where it excels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.